ladies. I find. They called me to find the ring where they lost in the beach of the Malwan.
Yang nakuha na sa iyang dress.
Siguro, I think everything is okay.
Yeah, I didn't see that today.
No, I use my God.
Wow.
Yeah, no worries.
Yawa boy.
Very nice.
Wow.
Ayan, you don't even want to give me.
No.
Ay, mo ana na day.
Found my ring.
Ah.
My ring. My ring, my
Tell
ring.
them
Ay, imo day lang uban.
tell them the story about
Imo day
We
lang
found all.
the wedding ring
Oy.
that
You
people
don't want to give me.
that lost the ring and you went and found it for them.
Yes, but
Yawa oy,
they
ayo
found
jaka
it.
jo nakita ni jan no.
This
Money
Wedding ring.
to the bayot, the tomboy ladies.
Yeah.
I find.
Yeah.
They called me to find the ring where they lost in the beach of the Malwan. Then I find that, yes. No, because there is another people that called me, but after I cannot go. I said I go tomorrow morning, but they were there. They want to find. They married 2 days before. I lost the wedding ring after 2 days on the beach.
You find it or not?
Wow. Pwede ko
20
siguro
people
ha.
find looking for that.
Hala oy mo.
Your wedding ring is here. See,
Many I find with this. Many I find with this one. Yeah. Oh, that's for your finger, right?
Oh. Perfect fit.
Perfect.
That's 13K.
It can be used for pointer.
Yes. This is good for pointer because this is small.
Ah.
No need
Maayo din
this.
siya sa mga
No, because
anak.
when you go on top of something, it's there. It's very close.
Sakay na lang kami ng German. Una nakuulit ma.
Of course, if you have this
Ng
one,
German,
it's
sakay rin
better.
sa mama namin.
And this one, you can go dive. You dive, and then you know there is some spots very good. You know, where people go to dive and everything.
10K?
No, cannot. This is 10K. It's point. This you can use also with after you when you come to the restaurant.
Makahanjo lagi mi, makahanjo.
This can do.
I will come tomorrow.
Dahil makahanjo lagi tana. Ha?
Ma,
Ay wow, makahanjo di ay. Ante makahanjo di ay.
I can give you the new one. I cannot do that.
muna ko kikipangita na kung
Ah, okay. Okay
Makita
na.
rin yung mga sa racer.
Ina ko lang kita.
This is all the price, huh?
That's
This is all the price.
no last.
This is all the price. No, this is all the price. We did not calculate the new one. Maybe it's a little bit more when you go to the restaurant. We have the new one, but I can give you 13K. No problem. I make a little
Anong
bit.
diyan mo palit ka nila? Anak ka sa dagat.
excuse me, I have to go now.
No problem. No problem.
Okay na.
For your time.
Anytime. Anytime.
Okay, thank
You have different
you.
accessories, no? And this is one that you can put here, and then you can add the pole. So you can. This also vibrate, and there's got a sound. Plus the indicator. There's indicator here. It is very tough.
Nak,
It's same brand of this. It's tough.
isa lang.
It's actually
Ano sa ante
tough.
ibig
After I show you. Tomorrow come there. Around
Okay.
lunchtime you come. Because I'm always busy.
Tanawa
Look at
guys.
this what I find. Also
Ay,
this. I
wow,
find.
yung nakita ani sa dagat. Oh,
Look at the
tanawa.
coin.
Ha guys, tanawa.
It is full of coins.
Kuan din
Look at
siya
the spoon,
kaning
the fork,
treasure
the-
hunting sa dagat. Treasure hunting.
the keys. See the keys.
So no, the Dumaluan now is empty.
It's empty now. Why?
You find all the
Nah, the people are there every time.
yeah.
The people are there every time. The people
Kana
are
siya nakuha na
losing. Dumalwan. What's the name? This one is how do you call this? Lead.
Lead.
Yeah. But then you
Mataraan
throw
pagino.
it.
Ano ba sig na gold na kwarta nak?
It's under the wall.
Maybe you have a very rare coins here, huh?
Yeah, but they're so patay. Look at that. But many coins, I clean and then I put in my pocket. I buy the gasoline and everything.
Oh.
Every time I go, I find always like 100 or 200.
Okay sir, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir, huh?
Maybe you can give me some advertising.
Thank you, sir, thank you.
Daghan si jagoan. Mga
And
queens.
lots of things in the sea.
Diba,
One is too big.
Metal Pro, how much time
Kaya hajag nga na imong matreasure ba? Nga na kadak ah. Kaya hay ka adjo.
Built-in.
Yeah, built-in battery and say maybe 7-8 hours. No problem. Yeah, no problem. So many
Then
hours.
it can be charged on the power bank, na?
Yes. Tomorrow.
Dagan siya nakuha sa dagat. Dagat jud yang tirada.
Kaya di naman alam ang foreigner sa yuta.
Ay mao ba?
Private property.
Hay haza no dagan siya nakuha mga alahas.
This one.
Wala oy guys, mara to. Okay, ari sa me.